Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use this Spline CV command. So let's start with this tutorial. In our previous tutorial we learned how to use the spline fit command. In this we will learn how to use this Spline CV command. So let's see. When you click on this draw panel, you will find this Spline CV command here. You click on it. Now when I click here, when I specify these points of vertices, you will see this line is coming in between these points. It is having some distance from these vertices. I'll say enter. Now if you see this spline fit line, if you click on it, you will see the vertices are coming on this line. But in Spline CV command, these vertices are coming at certain distance from this line. It is maintaining some distance from the curves. Now suppose if I want to make any changes in these vertices, then what I'll do is just move your cursor on this point. Now here there are options: stretch vertex, add vertex, refine vertex, remove vertex. Now if I want to move this point, then I'll have to take this stretch vertex. Now you can move this point in any direction. You can move any point here. If I want to move this point, click on it and move it at side. Now the next option is add vertex. If you want to add more vertexes, then you take add vertex. Now I'll take a vertex here. Then again I'll take a vertex here. You can add as many vertices as you required. The next is refine vertices. Now what is refine vertices? If you want to make these curves a little smooth and you want to bring these points at a lesser distance from this line, then you just move your cursor here and say refine vertices. You will get another point here, and this point will come a little closer to this line. Again you take refine vertex, it will refine it a little more. Similarly here I'll take refine vertex, it will come a little closer. Now the next is remove vertex. If you want to remove any vertex point, then take your cursor on that and say remove vertex. The point or the vertex will be removed. Also the curve forming on that point will be also removed, and the curve forming on that point will be also removed. So hope you all have understood how to use this Spline CV command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.